What's up guys, welcome back to MixedSid channel, and we are kicking off the holiday cocktails or Christmas cocktails, whatever you want to call it. But today's Christmas cocktail or holiday cocktail is the Holiday Mule. Now we'll show you how to make this. So the first thing you want to do guys is get your copper mug and fill it with ice like we've done here. First ingredient to go in guys is 50ml or half an ounce of cranberry juice. Right, what you want to do now is to garnish it with a candy cane and cherries. There we go. Because they're optional, you can use a rosemary sprig if you have it, or orange slice as well. But I thought I'd make it a bit more Christmassy with a candy cane. And there we go, there is one Holiday Mule. Right, how does the Holiday Mule taste?